right, you've got yourself some Vegepod Booster. How do you actually apply it to your Vegepods and your other contained gardens for edible gardening? It's really simple. You literally put in 3 capfuls into a standard watering can. Now, standard watering can is roughly 9 litres, 2.5 gallons. It's very strong stuff. That's why you have to dilute it. Once you've chucked it in there, if you don't mind getting a bit dirty, just chuck your hand straight in, give it a bit of a mix or a bit of a shake. Now, obviously, it's going to depend on the size of your garden. If you already have our veggie bag or the small Vegepod, you're going to use roughly half a watering can. So either only do 1.5 caps to 1.5 or use the other half of your watering can somewhere else. If you have our medium Vegepod, you're going to use a full can. For the large, roughly 2 of these cans. How often? Somewhere between that 2 to 4 week mark. It obviously depends quite a bit also on what you're starting with. Unfortunately, a lot of novice gardeners start with a really poor quality dirt and not a good soil. If you're in that mob, make sure you give it an extra kick. So every 2 weeks, or actually water it a little bit more with the Vegepod Booster. That will help get it into form, it will condition, it will feed the soil, and you might be able to get that back growing into your vegetables. If you've already got a decent soil base and you're just rejuvenating it, just reboosting it, reconditioning it in between seasons, then roughly every 4 weeks is good enough.